iba. Ito para sa'yo naman daw. Team Azralf or Team Ravi? Grabe, yan, yung mga ganon. Lalo nakakatapos ng Big Collab, no? Nakita mo yung mga production numbers doon.
Opo. So, yun nga po, natapos po yung Acer Day where I performed with Shuvi, and natapos po yung Big Collab where I performed with AZ. And actually, na-post ko po to sa broadcast channel ko na parang na-appreciate ko po talaga silang pareho. Na they're able to really bring out the best in me. And I appreciate them na sumasakay lang talaga sila sa mga trip ko. Na in terms of the performances, in terms of the off-cam moments, it's something that, you know, I value so much. Kasi iba din po talaga yung relationship na na-build ko sa dalawang babae na yun inside the house. And even up till now sa outside world, I'm just praying na, alam niyo po talaga kasi iba talaga yung ingay dito sa outside world. Na I feel like, I hope and I'm praying na no matter how much noise there is, na I'm still able to maintain my relationships with those two without getting affected. It's hard. It's hard to be able to navigate through everything sa lahat ng ingay po na naririnig namin, nababasa namin na usually when I'm associated with the other, alam niyo naman, nag-aaway-aaway na sila. So I just want everyone to be happy at the end of the day. Kasi in my heart, I value the both of them so much. And the people know that. And I hope they see na let's all be happy. Let's all love each other. Let's all be there for each other. And yun po talaga yung gusto ko talaga. So peace. I hope there's peace soon.
Yung ito bago kay AZ, no? Yung kay Shuvi muna.
Sorry po.
Ayan. Oh, it's alright. Ayun. Kay Shuvi muna. Unexpected din kasi nga no, doon sa Big Tapatan, meron pa siyang pag-confront sa'yo na, well, of course, it's a task, no? Na dati hindi tayo close, pero ngayong pagbalik mo, naging close tayo and you were able to answer na, ako nga, real talk, sinabi ko sa'yo, may problema ako sa'yo before, how you were, diba? Na ang galing na, ngayon nakikita, uy, talagang friends talaga sila. Hindi naman na yun, issue.
Yung the thing with Shuvi kasi, I was able to get to know her so much more dun sa secret room talaga. And also with AZ. But kasi yun nga po, hindi kami close talaga. Sinabi ko naman po talaga sa kanya kung bakit. And the fact na we were able to get past that and we were able to build a relationship regardless of what we had before is something na parang hindi ko talaga siya na-expect, first and foremost. And it's something na, again, is ayoko talagang bitawan. Kasi I'm someone na pag nagkaroon ako ng deep relationship with someone, I will value that person. And it goes the same for all of my friends, all of my family, na kitang-kita niyo naman po sa PBB, hindi ko talaga iiwan. I'm that kind of person na if we've built something that I value, I will be there for you no matter what, kahit ano pa sabihin ng ibang tao. So, yun po ako kay Shuvi, for sure.
Ayan. And sa Big Collab, ang ganda ng performance nyo ni AZ na Tibok. Ayan, maraming kinilig talaga. Bagay daw sa yung song. Kumusta yun? Performing on stage with her.
Opo. It was an honor. Grabe. Kasi yun nga po, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, sa loob pa lang pinag-uusapan talaga namin na saan na magka-Araneta tayo. Whether it's big night or something else. Na hopefully we get to Araneta and get to be on that big stage together. And knowing that it actually happened already and parang ang ganda po ng reception sa amin ng mga tao. It's different. It's a different feeling. Na I'm so happy na I was able to do that with her.
Sobrang cute nyo lang, na parang komportable talaga. Kitang-kita na komportable kayo sa isa't isa kasi with the mga gestures, the closeness.
Opo. Parang sa amin po talaga kasi wala nang ilangan eh. Kasi we've really gone through so much from day one. So at this point, it's like, what's there to be shy about? Diba? Kaya doon po talaga mapapatunayan na malalim po talaga yung pinagsasamahan namin.